9 lasagna noodles get placed in a pot of 2 quarters of water and pinched of coarse salt. Once brought to a rolling boil, the 9 flat panels of noodle will be added to the wild enough pot to boil for what the package said is al dente, about 8 to 9 minutes. Drain the water in the stainless steel colander in your sink and set aside with a small coating of olive oil to make sure the noodles do not stick to each other. Let cool. With the cooling, measure out 3/4 pounds of ground beef and 1/4 pounds of fresh Italian sausage, hot or mild flavored, removing from their casing and break up into smaller chunks. Add into a Dutch oven, hopefully some wonderful exterior color, and cook over a medium heat on your stove, including 1 medium onion, yellow or white, no skin, diced finely by placing the knife criss across through the section of half an onion, then chopping down lengthwise to construct a thin square that will break apart in the heat of the pan. Cook at least 8 minutes, but no more than 10, in order to remove all pink from the pan. While this is occurring, smash 3 cloves of deskinned garlic with the back of your chef's knife, and mince carefully. Or, if the time is constrained, feel free to use your garlic press for 3 or 4 cloves instead. Put in the pan once the meat is brown and golden, and cook another minute. When the aroma fills your kitchen, drain off the excess fat. While the meat is cooking, prepare 43 ounces of either fresh or canned crushed tomatoes, and 6 ounces of fresh or canned tomato paste. Mix with 2/3 cup of the room temperature water and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Add fresh basil leaf, cropped from the garden, some fennel seed, a pinch of salt, and some freshly ground pepper. Place it into meat filled with Dutch oven and strain until a beautiful dark red brown are happily married and perfectly homogeneous. Increasing the heat while it's cooking to bring the mixture to a boil. Then, once the bubble appears, reduce the simmer and let sit for at least 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. While shimmering and gathering flavor, grab a small glass bowl and mix 1 large egg, room temperature, with 15 ounces of ricotta cheese and 4 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese. Set aside. Also, in another bowl, add some shredded mozzarella cheese and 3/4 cups of grated parmesan, or include some parsley and salt for flavor, and set aside. Also, while shimmering, preheat your oven to 375 Fahrenheit. Grab a baking dish, perhaps a bread-shaped pan if you can like it deep, or a pan if you like it thin. Spread the warm meat sauce in the bottom of the pan, just enough to make thin layer. Place noodle in hopefully non-overlapping pattern and top with the ricotta mixture. Sprinkle with the cheese mixture. Repeat these layers to desired heat. Cook more noodle if necessary. Bake curved for 25 minutes, then uncurved 24 minutes longer, and total 15 minutes to an hour. Take out the oven to rest. Stir deep into a darkened red sauce, the brown cheese, and the beautifully growing noodle in cross section. Now consider this over a cup of coffee.